Nigeria. Hold on, give me a sec. There's a setting I'm supposed to pour my microphone. Oh my god. I hope you guys can hear me. I have no background music on. I'm gonna do that just now. Yeah, what do you do? What do you do, people? What do you do? How you doing? How you doing? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's, 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 W's. Keep the W's coming. Keep the W's coming, bro, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Let me put in some background music so we can get the mood going. Boys and girls. Freak? It's like my background music is not going to play today. Oh. Dang. Dang. And it must play. Because that background music gives vibe. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Mod vibe. Let's see. Not playing. It's not playing. It's not playing. I can't really explain it. Don't know have the words to say. Yeah, so unfortunately, we're not gonna have any background music today. You guys will hear my voice the way it sounds direct, plain, straightforward. Oh my god. So, how was you guys' day? How was your uh, weekend? How was your Sunday? How is your Monday? Or how did the Monday go? And I know if you're looking now, you see everything looks quite well. The camera looks well, I believe, strongly believe. The audio sounds better, I strongly believe. What again? Everything looks cool now. It looks like we're becoming it looks like we're becoming a professional. God, Jesus Christ. This is how I'm becoming a professional. And this is Blanco. In case if you don't know, my name is also Abraham. And today, um, one necessary thing, which is my trading view, finally working now. And now that it's working, we can backtest. Yes, I said we are going to do that before. We can backtest trades together. You guys should see my strategy work in action. It's not just only buy or sell here. Let's come on, test my strategy with me. Test it with me. So you can see how it will work. So I'm gonna go into trading view now. I'm gonna go into trading view. This is trading view and this is jump 10 index as you guys can see. You guys can only see my screen full time. But I know in a second you're gonna want me on the side. But for now, just look at my screen. So this is a jump 10 index. Let me make sure everything is cleared. I just hope there's no drawing here. Okay, no drawing, obviously. So let's go back in time. Let's go back in time. To like this is 2025, I mean. What month are we in? We are in May, June, July. July, right? Let's go back to the same July of 2020. This is 2024. Let's see if 2024 July is going to work. I doubt. I doubt it's going to work. I doubt it's going to work. Yes, unavailable. I know. I know TradingView. I know them very well. So we'll make it 2025 then. We'll make it 2025. think I need to cancel it. That's funny. We'll make it 2025 July instead of 2024. Let me just put myself on screen so you guys can see me now. Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, boys and girls? Boys and girls, give me the boys and girls. Okay, let me focus. So let's do 2024, 2025 rather, of July instead of 2024. This is 2025 June. 2025 June. Yes. 2025 June. You guys test this strategy with me. I don't know why TradingView doesn't want to give me full screen, but I'm supposed to be able to. Okay. So now, this is the chart as of June 2025 on a Sunday. In case if you don't know, one of the reasons why I love trading synthetic indices is because the market is always open. So it's always moving. There's always, motion in the market. You don't have an off day. You just need to have discipline to know when not to trade. And the type of strategy I trade is a strategy that comes that gives me a trade like at most 2 to 3 times in a month. Oh, sorry, 2 to 3 times in a week. So I don't overtrade. Overtrading is a very, very big issue amongst traders. And if you know you want to avoid overtrading, make sure to either restrict the amount of trades you take, or in my case, you trade a strategy that limits you. Because there's some people strategy that comes up every day, twice in a day or 3 times in a day. Those type of strategy can make you lose money quick. The more time you spend in the market, the more money you are likely to lose. So take what you can take and deep. Take what you can take and deep. So that's why people trade financial markets, because there's an off day. But in this synthetic market, no off days. That's why you need to be very strict with yourself as to not always to force yourself to be in a trade. My trade only comes once a week. I mean, last week I don't think I got any trades. It was upper week I got one trade. So at most I'm getting 2 trades, sometimes 1 trade, sometimes no trades at all. So yeah, let's do this now. So let's go, boys. So the first thing I told you guys to do is look for a key level. I don't want to be going in and out. I usually look for key levels on the 4-hour time frame, but just for the sake of not going in and out, because I'm using TradingView, I don't going back and forth, back and forth. I will just using the 1 hour for no, I'm not gonna do that. I'll be going in and out. So I usually take my key levels on the 4-hour time frame, which you guys can see now. So this will be a key level for me, and then this one too will be a key level for me. I want to re-edit this thing. I don't like the way it is. Give me a sec. I don't like that it's just blue like that. Inline, dotted. Yes. I delete this and I'll redo it again. Okay. So now let's go back to the 1 hour time frame and let's allow the chart do its magic. So this is a Sunday, like it will be in any other Sunday. Let's see what can happen. So one thing I'll be looking for is probably possibly a break and retest. Let me pause here. So let me just inform what you guys what I'll be looking for. Since we've managed to, we're still in this zone. I don't consider this thing far break of the area. So one thing I'll be looking for probably be a break and retest. So now that this thing has happened, I would say I'd want a good candlestick to form that gives me a sense of entering for buy. This is not my go-to strategy, but this will just probably be something I'd want to do as my this is my secondary strategy. As you guys know, I have two strategies. I trade break and retest, and I trade that 1, 2, 3 move that you guys are aware of. So if it, I would wait for a green candle to form before I enter. Not now, not now, not now, and then I would have entered. So I would have entered around here. I've entered on this candle, and my stop loss will be here. That's just it. It's now to see what dancing in the red and failure. Failure, oh, failure, oh, failure, oh, failure. Oh. So this is a trade I would have taken and lost. Now I can't give any reason as to why it lost. Only thing I can say is I assumed the trade was gonna go up. It didn't go up and it just went on going down. Not necessarily any strong reason for it not going up. Okay. Let's pause. Let me delete this. I want to show you guys something. I think we should write that down somewhere. Lost one trade. So if you guys are seeing now that after that trade was lost, it did my go-to strategy. Let me show you guys my face. My go-to strategy came up. Where's the text? Here is one. Here is two. Here is three. So now what I'm going to wait for is it to come back. I'm waiting for it to retrace. That's what I want now. I need a retracement back into this zone. Anywhere around here is fine for me. Back into here. I need a retracement back into here before I can enter. And this is what I will do. For this trade, because of this is my go-to strategy. This is a strategy I wouldn't say I bet my life on, but this is a strategy I sleep, wake up, and eat with. You feel me? This is my go-to strategy. This is my go-to strategy, boys and girls. So yeah, only thing I need to do now is just watch and see how it goes. In this strategy, I'll just place an order. Once I see the strategy, what I usually do is I place orders and just watch and see how it goes. Okay, looks like it still wants to keep on going down. Broski wants to keep on going down. Uh, Looks like the trade is about to invalidated. I need to hold this my zone steadily. If it doesn't get back to that place, I don't think I want to be in it. So if it doesn't get back to it, then no, it's not a trade I should be looking for. And as you guys have seen, I'll probably be in the trade right now. Okay, no, I would have not been in the trade. Dang! Dang! Missed our entry by a bit. Dang! Ah! And those are the type of things you can never predict. You just set an order and you wait. And the next thing you know, it doesn't want to tap your entry. He doesn't want to tap your entry. Boys. You see, this is the thing about the markets. This is just the thing about the markets. And I wouldn't advise anybody to force entry. Put your entry where you know you've always where you know your strategy demands you to put your entry. Don't force enter anything. My strategy always demands I put my entry here, and it usually comes here and touches it and go. But as you can see, the market just played us ping pong. Came so close to the entry, so close to the entry and destroyed the take profit. So close to the entry and destroyed it. So you see, a strategy na something with the work. It work. You know, just touch entry. I know. Don't crucify me. Somebody say it did work. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's see if there's anything we're going to be able to do. I don't just want to time skip. I don't just want to time skip and look for trade. I want it to come organically. If you feel me. I want everything to come organically between me and you boys. Me and you ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to force anything. So lost one trade, missed one trade. I hope this chart is gonna give us something to work with. Give me something for them. They want to see me do something. Mm. No. Hold on. In the 4 hour time frame, this is giving us what we're looking for. I need to delete so you guys can see what I'm saying. Now we need to swing this trade. This is a trade we need to swing. Okay, now. Here's my text. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame now. So boys, look, after I did this, we would have been expecting that, like I expected before, he wanted to go back to the upside and continue, but he just did this, tapped here and continue back down. But now look, this thing is happening again. It's 1, 2, 3 move. One, e. One, two, and then when he does this move, I consider it a 3 move. When it starts like going back to the upside. So for now, let's see how it's gonna play out. Mind you, this is the 4 hour chart. So you should know that this is gonna take a couple of days to play out. Patiently looking. Of course it's gonna do it. Let me drop down to 1 hour now. Let me show you guys what's gonna happen. Over here, I'm not filtering out. Most people, what they will do is they won't do a live stream of them back testing their strategy. What they will just do is they will record a video and, back test and then you know, filter out the trades they lost or the trades they missed and then give you only the trades they won. But this, I want you guys to see how it would work relatively in real time, although backtesting is not real time, it's just relative real time. So I want you guys to see how it's going to work relatively in real time. And that's why I'm not filtering out. I can easily just do a video and upload and just show you guys the strategy, but I already taught it. And if you want me to teach it again, I can do a video teaching it, but I just want to show you how it works relatively in real time. Yeah. What we just need to do now is wait and see. Okay. Pause. Don't go too fast. Hey. Pause, bro. Pause. So, a place I'll be looking for entry. Yeah, I think you already clicked. Okay, almost clicked it. So, as the strategy states, this is where we usually be looking for entry. Anywhere from the 50 to 60% is our key point of entry. So for me, I usually look for if there's any form of support or resistance closest to it. So this would be the closest thing I see. What now just do is I just put my cell here. Let me measure this thing real quick. I just put my cell here. And I hope it goes and touch it, but by the looks of it, it looks like it's not going to go up to touch it. But let's see what happens. My gut tells me that this is probably going to be a losing trade. But let's see, boys. Let's see. One more candle. Did it enter? Did he enter? Did he enter? I think he did, though. Boys, I think he did. This thing that is popping up. Okay, now we did. Now we are in the trade, boys and girls. Now we are in the trade. He looks like he's going for the stop loss, I'm being honest. He wants to go for the stop loss. I see he's dancing around the zone. And one of the reasons why you want your point of entry to be at the zone, beautiful. Point of entry to be at the zone of support or previous support or resistance is that if it's a support, it's going to want to push it in your direction. If it's a resistance, it's going to want to push it in your direction. If it's a support, it's going to want to push it up in your direction. 9 times out of 10 times it holds, but for now it didn't hold as we guessed. Now it didn't hold. I had guessed it wouldn't hold. One of the reasons I was guessing it wouldn't hold was this move. The way it was jagged. If it was straight, because this jump index usually moves in straight lines. Like the lines are fairly direct. See, like if you look at once it wants to goes down, it goes down. If it goes back up. If you look at this move now, down, easy. But when you start seeing this jagged move like this, you just start to know that what you should be expecting. Anything can happen. At that point, anything can happen. Once you start making this jagged move. So we've lost two trades, missed one. The downtrend is still valid. It didn't break above here, so the downtrend is still valid. So let's keep seeing what this boy wants to do for us. I'm gonna party like 99. And the reason why I'm deleting it is because it's a video. So there's a previous reference, so you can just easily scroll back and see. I don't want to keep it because it's gonna be distracting the chat. I think I should write it down somewhere. Loss two missed one. Yeah. Let's keep going and see. We'll be taking this everywhere we're going. Went back to the key point. You still be looking at selling. I hope I'm not going to make this stream too long for you guys. Let me see how many minutes am I in. I mean, I'll just cap it at 1 hour. I'll just cap this stream at 1 hour, and then that's enough. Hopefully, I get one or two trades that go well. But this is just to show you guys my strategy in real time. And the Pleiade branches. Be a nice place to put a sell, but my gut tells me it's gonna break above it and continue for a buy. So like I said, break above it and continue for a buy. This target here. What did I say? Break and retest, continue for buy. Now, I need my strategy in form around here now. I need something like, eh? I need something like this. Hmm. I need something like this. This is what I need, boys. And once I get it, that's my strategy in perfect play. This is textbook break and retest right here. That was what I thought was going to happen here at first. That made me enter for a buy and continue to sell. But this is textbook. Just place your buy here. Boom. Continue. Not my strategy. Shouldn't have done it in the first place, but it's what I usually just do because break and retest is something that it's textbook. It always works. Most often time than not. My secondary strategy, not my primary strategy. Do I have any charts? W's in the charts, boys. W's in the charts. I'm gonna party 999. Am I lagging? Okay, I'm not lagging. I thought I was lagging a bit there. Ooh, let me increase the speed a bit just for sake of not taking time. Wow. Continuing for a sale. That's mad. That's mad, bruv. That's mad, bruv. Very, very mad. This can be considered the key level. Can be considered the key level. So let's keep watching. Wow. Wow. Destroyed the key level too. Obliterated it. I can delete this one. This is far, especially this one. I can delete this one. Very far from where we are. It's not necessary again. This one, so it's not necessary. Not necessary because it's too far from where we are now. Pause, 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 pause. Yeah, now I'm seeing something. Oh, okay. So this move, I need has done one and two. It has done one and two. So this is one. Oh, this is a two. Oh, don't invalidate it now. Ah, hasn't invalidated it yet. Hasn't invalidated it yet. Ish. Hasn't invalidated it, boys. Trade has been validated. Has been invalidated. Trade has been invalidated. So I think there's something I missed. Maybe it's because the chart was a bit fast. That's why I didn't grab it. But this is my strategy that played out right here. And the chart was a bit fast. That's why I didn't grab it. But I'm not gonna deceive myself now and say, oh, let me take the this thing back and enter inside. So since I missed it, I missed it. I'll put it as, let me slow this thing down so I can see. The charts don't move this quick. The charts move at a very, very slow pace, one candlestick an hour. So looking at all these candlesticks so fast is gonna make you miss opportunity that you would have not necessarily missed because you didn't calm down to look at it. Trying to be fast for you guys so that I don't take too much time on the stream. 1 hour is what I was giving myself. Let's see. Let's look for a good entry. Just so you know, it's two loss, two miss. One loss in the break test, one loss in my strategy, and two miss in my strategy. Can we do a full year? I think that's what I'm just going to focus on even on the next stream. We'll continue the back test. So everything will not end today. We'll keep on doing. This is around the same time last year. So we'll do a full year and then we'll see what the win to loss rate is like for my strategy. You feel me? Testing. Okay. I was scared. I thought my mic wasn't working for a bit. I would have screamed. I would have screamed just now. So I've been talking to myself. So I've been busy talking to myself. Okay. I don't have any chat history at the back to even look at this. Crazy far. So I'll just leave it and just trade what I'm seeing. Minivan. Minivan. And I said let's vibe to music, but I don't know which music is not copyrighted. I wouldn't want my stream to be taken down because I'm playing music. What was supposed to vibe to? And then again, I'm going to take out this video and oh yeah, I think I should do a compilation after I've done a full year of doing this. I'll compile part one, part two, part three, part four, and part five. Makes sense. I'm streaming. Somebody's playing music and I can hear it. Okay. It's happening. This is it. Textbook, textbook, textbook. One. Mm. Two. And three. Now, all we need to do is just wait for this broski. Go up, go up, don't come down. Leave yourself. Leave yourself. Let me pause you first. Since he didn't want, I'm still expecting him to go up a bit, somewhere around here. Where this white line is, somewhere around here would be nice for me, or here. That's what I expect. Or if he doesn't, let me not do a if. Let me just expect it to go a bit up. I need you to like branch out. Although my strategy entails that once it breaks above here, it's already considered good enough. Once it breaks above the previous high, it's already considered good enough. The only thing I just need to do is fine. But then again, patience is a virtue. You need to allow the chart breathe. Don't rush. Don't rush into anything. So it's the best place I'm looking for entries around here. But if it doesn't give me an entry around there, then I'm going to assume that it's going to go up here and then give me an entry around here. So let's watch and see. Let me take away all this line so it doesn't disturb you guys' eye movement. So let's watch and see. Yeah, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Nope. Let's want to move again. Yes. 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 And that's good enough. So fairly around there is where I'll look again. Look towards. So now I'll be looking for my entry will be around here. Fairly around here. That's where my entry will be. Okay. So like I told you guys, I just placed my order. The reason why another reason why I place orders because me personally, I don't like looking at charts all day. I don't like looking at charts all day. It can be tiring. Oh, and another reason why I do my orders like this is because of stop hunt. Stop hunting is a real thing. It's a real thing. You see markets that will go come back around this place, just hunt people stop losses around here. You feel me? And then continue to the upside. And you wonder why is it that the market is always doing that? It always affected me in this my strategy. So that's why I started. Then, like most people are trading here. Most people are trading like this, waiting for the entry and you put it as stop loss here. So by the time the stop hunt hits, it just hits all of them out. So I started putting my entries a bit down to give me enough space. So if people are taking out from the trade around here, I still have enough breathing room to not be stop hunted. Anything that makes it get down to this point, then it's no longer a stop hunt. It's the trade is not going in the direction. That's more than likely the trade is not going in that direction. So that's why you see me. I usually put my entries very below like that. It's preventing stop hunts. It's a real thing. No. Don't allow anybody deceive you. That's not a real thing. It's a real thing. They will use you do liquidity and your eye will clear. Beautiful. Come down for me, baby. No, now. No time. Oof. Ah, painful. Painful. Oh, it didn't come. What's wrong with you now? I had 10 index. You're giving me all my strategy. Well, you don't want to give me my entry. Now I've missed two entries. Take your time. Don't let me descend on you. Eh? See, how many pips did you need to come to my entry? Take your time, bro. Take your time. Take your time. So now this wouldn't be considered a trade because I would have never entered it in the first place. Is there any need for me to count my misses? Let me just count it for statistics' sake. For the sake of counting statistics. Just count it just so you're. Let me just count it. Genuinely, I don't think there's any need to count a trade I didn't enter. So three misses, two loss. Misses were potential trades that didn't, click, that didn't go through. Entry is not entered. Entry is not entered. This was textbook, boys. Textbook. Textbook. All you needed to do was just kiss the entry. Kiss the entry and go. So now that one didn't work. We're gonna continue. Wait for the next one. I just need one entry that's gonna work well. One trade that's gonna work well for you boys that are watching, looking at my strategy. I just need one trade for them. Jump 10 index. Give me. Give that to me. Give it to me. And the way you did to me. Give it to me, someone. Let us to me. Give it to me. The way you did to me. Get us to me. You give it to me. And the way you did to me. Libre carry test. Wouldn't have worked anyways. Let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. Now I should be looking for a sell around here. Go to our zone. Once you give me my 1, 2, 3 step and enter. Let me increase this thing. It doesn't take time. For those of you that are not going to be able to watch the stream, and don't worry, I'll clip it into a video and post it. Hey, what kind of move is this? Jump to 10 index, eh? What kind of bastardizing move is this? Jesus. This is how you can get all this profit and lose it. Lose it in just a couple days. What the freak? Imagine somebody buying around here. Say, oh, I want to buy and forget. Buy and forget. Next thing you know, it goes up. You're happy, happy, happy. Next thing you know, is is blasting down again, you lose all your money. What does play now look like a break and a retest? I'm not gonna trade that strategy again because on my handiwork. Let me bring bro down to here.